Down, like, or go your nails so it will be better. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, crack my back. Look crack. Okay. Just go. Oh! What's up, Nation? It's Bekalosa. What's good? It's a new day. Yes, it is. Let's go. So, guys, I saw this video on TikTok where someone actually cracked his brother's back. So I'm gonna be doing that with my brother. Let's go, Joshua. My brother is watching Coming to America. Let's go. Pause it. I want to crack your back. I want to crack your back. Joshua, please. I want to crack your back. Seriously, it's really fun. Your back will be free. Pause it. 1 second, just come. Like, I don't know if you have seen this before, but it's gonna be, you're gonna feel like a new man. Crack. Yeah. Do you know how to crack back? I know, you just stand on my back and stand. No, I really stand on my back. You also like I'm talking not on my back. Child! No. Yeah, that's how I need to crack back. No. Oh, let's. Yeah, stand. No, stand up. No, that's oh, this one is another way. So, what do you want to do then? I want to crack your back on your knee. Stand on this. And do like this. On your knee and do like this. So bend down. Yeah. So guys, see, bend a little bit. I should face back. Oh, I want to crack your back. Bend down, like, or go your knee so it will be better. Yeah. Okay, crack my back. Will you crack? Yes, sir. Oh! Did you guys hear that? You didn't crack my back, crack my shoulder. I crack your shoulder. Huh? That's not my back, that's my shoulder. Your shoulder. Oh my god, you guys hear that? Okay, do me. My turn. Don't be gentle, eh? Don't dislocate my. Oh, like this, like I'm wearing school bag. Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm using my strength. Yeah, that was it, man. How do you feel? Crack my shoulder instead of my back. Good, right? Yeah, like a new man. You feel like a new man, you said. Let's go. Or if you want to stand on your back, I can also stand. That's the one I know. Okay, come, let me stand on your back then. Okay. I'm like, it has been long I've weighed myself, but I'm pretty above the 80 kg. You're scared. Come. Alright. Shoulder pain. Shoulder pain or shoulder relief. Okay. Hey, gentle, eh? No, you have to. No, with all your weight, like this. No, like you have to be free. You don't do isolation. Oh! You guys hear this back racket? That is what's it called? That's not mic. Oh, a little bit. Up. Yeah. Up. Yeah. Okay, no. Oh my god. Yeah, the first one's nice. Yeah, the first one cracked, but the rest didn't. Let's go. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. That's gonna be it for today. My light just turned off. I don't know why. I think I need to get a better light because every seconds just keep turning off, but the battery's charged. Let's go. See you guys next tomorrow. Peace.